Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, we're back at one of my favorite places, the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum. And we are getting ready for a day out with Thomas at the moment. And as you can see, we have the newly acquired Southern freight car, number 20. Whew. It's a little windy today. Wow. Oh, wow. I've been waiting so long to see this in person. And as you can see, we are preparing for a day out with Thomas.
Hey!
Hey! Again. Good.
We're going to sit up here. I think we're going to shoot in here.
Okay.
You getting something big?
Mm-hmm. And there's all the tent for a day out with Thomas. All right, here we go. Here's the gift shop.
Oh my goodness, hey Brett, how are you?
Good, how are you, Miss Lisa?
It's good to see you.
You too.
Did you just get here?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. Is you, Mom and Dad both or just who's,
Just Mom.
just Mom today? I'll get to see Luann.
I got something to tell you.
There's the deli.
Hey Brett.
Oh, hey, Miss
How's
Bailey.
it going?
Good. And then here's the outside. And there's the Norfolk Southern Main Line. The exhibit yard. And then we also have a virtual rail fan. Hello, virtual rail fan! I'll just kind of stay outside in this area. Then another inside the gift shop.
Mine was Elizabeth. But that's a lot of E's in a row because you have K-Y-L-E-E and then
Just now. Ooh, nice chairs. Ooh, actually, it's pretty nice in here. New chairs. Nice pictures. There's the counter.
Would you like one of our new calendars? You want one, babe?
Sure.
Hi, Ben. Come pick up your chips.
Yep, they really do love me. And then pretty nice little place. And then we have a little courtyard here. This is so cool. And then they're just getting some, some last minute preparations. And then we have the exhibit car and Tag 80 over here. Oh, wow. And then we have the display yard. This is one of my favorite places to be. They're actually doing an interview with me a little bit later on. And then, as you can see, they're getting ready for Thomas. Oh, yes. What a beautiful day. The Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum is one of my favorite, all-time favorite places to go. But I just went into the deli for a little bit. Just to look around. I didn't go fully in. And so we have the Emory and Henry College and the Randolph Malcolm College. And down here, so 120. All right, and that just about wraps it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more, videos, don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming up. This is just a follow-up to my tour of my video tour of the grounds and property here at the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum. As you can see, they're preparing for a day out with Thomas. And also, this is the first video from my new phone. That's the deli in there, where you can grab a bite to eat. This station was built in 1982 as a replica of the station in Tuscumbia, Alabama. And then course, things have changed since I was here last. I wanted to share it with you. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. All right, folks. Here comes 6:30. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hello, 6:30! Yeah! Woohoo! Oh, wow! This is amazing! We have the Missionary Ridge Local. This is train 100 going to East Chattanooga. Woohoo! Amen! Woohoo! This is amazing. Woo! Beep, beep. This is amazing. Phew. Oh, man. All right, that's it. All right, folks. Here comes 6:30. And we're going to race him all the way down to the end of the platform. Southern Railway number 632 musician, please serenade my arrival back into Grand Junction with your rendition of He's Got the Whole World in His Hands. 6:30 out. Here he comes. Woohoo! And this is why he goes slowly into the station. You want to say something to you? You want to say something to you too, 6:30? Woohoo! Is Southern Railway number 630. This locomotive was built in February of 1904 by the American Locomotive Company in Richmond, Virginia. It is a 280. That means it has two small pilot wheels up front, 8 big driving wheels in the middle, and then 0 wheels underneath the pad. This locomotive was first built for the Southern Railway's Murphy branch. as part of, which is the line running between Asheville and Murphy, North Carolina. Part of that line is now owned and operated by the Great Smoky Mountains Railroad. This place will always be in my heart. It's one of my favorite places to go. This is amazing. So, and that is the one and only Southern